Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about order of operation. Now you have the word pemdas. P is the parenthesis, E is the exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. Now parenthesis has more priority than exponent, and the exponent has more priority than multiplication and addition. Multiplication and division. Addition and subtraction has same priority. For example, let's say if we have 5 plus 8 minus 3. We can solve this equation in any order. So first, let's start in add. So 5 plus 8 is equal 13. 13 minus 3 is equal 10. And if you want to start in subtract, so 5 plus 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is equal 5. 5 plus 5 is equal 10. So we get same answer. Now, what about if we have division and multiplication? If division and multiplication have same priority or not. Now let's start in division. 18 divided by 3 is equal 6, and 6 times 4 is equal 24. So this is the first answer. Now let's start in multiplication first. So 18 divided by 3 times 4. 18, 3 times 4 equal 12. You have division. And 18 divided by 12 is equal 1.5. So what is the correct answer? If you're not sure, we use the calculator and we write this equation exactly in calculator. So 18 divided by 3 times 4. So the answer is 24. This is answer. So if you have division, if you have in first equation division, we solve it from left to the right. Now what about if we have first multiplication? For example, 12 times 6 divided by 2. 12 times 6 is equal 72, divided by 2 is equal 36. And if we start in division, we get 12 times 6 divided by 2. 12 times 6 divided by 2 is equal 3. And 12 times 3 is 36. So we get same answer. Now, so division has more priority than multiplication. Now, if we have first division, we start we solve the equation from left to the right, and if we have first multiplication, we solve it in any order. So for example, let's say if you have 28 divided by 4 times 3. Now here you have division. In first we have division, so we solve it from left to the right. 28 divided by 4 is equal 7. 7 times 3 is equal 21. Now another example. So if you have 3 times 8 divided by 4. Now here you have first multiplication, so we can solve it in any order. So first 3 times 8 is equal 24. and 24 divided by 4 is equal 6. And if we start in division, 3 times 8 divided by 4, 3 times 8 divided by 4 is equal to 3 times 2, 6. So we get same answer. Now, what about if you have this example? 8 plus 9 times 6. Now, we have pemdas. Now we see multiplication has more priority than addition. So first we multiply 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is equal 54. Now 8 plus 54 is equal 62. So this is the answer. Now another example, say if you have 16 minus 14 divided by 2. Now also here you have division. So division has more priority than subtraction. So first we divide minus 14 divided by 2 is equal minus 7, and 16 minus 7 is equal 9. So this is the answer. Now let's say if you have 48 divided by 6 times 2 plus 7. Now here we have first division, so we solve it from left to the right. 48 divided by 6 is equal 8, and 8 times 2 plus 7. Now 8 times 2 is equal 16 plus 7, and 16 plus 7 is equal 23. So this is the final answer. Now let's move to exponents. Now let's say if we have 3 plus 4 square. Now exponent has more priority than addition. So first we solve 4 square. 4 square is 16. Then we add 3 plus 16 is equal 19. So this is the answer. Let's say if you have 2 to the power of 3 minus 7, and 36 divided by 3 to the power of 2, or 3 square. So in the first one, 2 to the power of 3 is equal 2 times 2 times 2 minus 7. 2 times 2 is equal 4, times 2 is equal 8, minus 7 is equal 1. And here exponent has more priority than division. So 3 square is equal 9. 36 divided by 9 is equal 36 divided by 9 is equal 4. So this is the final answer. Now let's say if you have this example, 2 times 3 plus 5. Now here you have a bracket or parentheses. So first step, we add 3 plus 5 because the parentheses has more priority than exponent. So 2 times 8 is equal 16. Now in this example, we can also first multiply 2 times 3 and 2 times 5. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 10, we get same answer. Now let's say if you have 3 times 2 plus 3 square. Now first parentheses has more priority than exponent. So 3 is equal 2 plus 3 is equal 5 square. 5 square is 25. 3 times 25 is equal 75. So this is the final answer. Now let's see if we have 150 minus 2 times 2 plus 5 square. So 150 minus 2, and 2 plus 5 is equal 7 square. 150 minus 2, 7 square is equal 49. 150 minus, now minus 2 times 49 is equal minus 98, and 150 minus 98 is equal 52. So this is the final answer.